So, I wanted to come and share this book, the 2020 Book of World Records. I received this from a parent and student at the book fair, and since I'm not able to read in our actual classroom, I'll share with you all on here. So, oh goodness, I lost the page. Okay, world's greenest city, Singapore. We've been learning about soil and its ability to support life, so here goes. Sorry, electrical issues. According to a new study from Treepedia, Singapore has the highest percentage of urban greenery in the world. Treepedia is the work of the Sensible City Laboratory at Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT. By analyzing panoramas posted on Google Street View, the Treepedia program assesses the level of vegetation in a city and rates it on a scale from 0 to 100. In its Green View Index, the program shows the real level of greenery in the streets where people live and work. The people behind Treepedia hope to raise greater awareness in cities where trees are lacking and to encourage developers to include them in future projects. It lists the greenest cities down here as well. Singapore as the top, then Sydney, Australia, Vancouver, Canada, Cambridge, Massachusetts, and Durban, South Africa. So I'll put that up to the camera real quick. And yep, that's our little science fact for the day.